Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is life processes unit test paper number 1. So in the previous video we have answered all the questions related to. So totally we have answered for 6 unit test paper of a topic called electricity. Now let us move for life processes. This is unit test paper number 1. The first question is the transport of soluble products of photosynthesis in plants is transpiration, osmosis, diffusion, translocation. So among these four options, the right option is option D, that is translocation. So for the first question, the right answer is option D, translocation. Now let us move for second one. First means second question. So the second question is the blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs in the human body are. So we will carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. That is pulmonary arteries. So pulmonary artery will carry deoxygenated blood. So for the second question, the right option is option D, that is pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary arteries will carry deoxygenated blood. Now let us move for question number second main question number 3. What is the role of stomata? So what is the role of stomata? So stomata will do two things. One is it helps in exchange of gases. One. Second one, it regulates transpiration. It regulates transpiration. Now let us move for question number 4. So question number 4 is what are sphincter muscle? So what are sphincter muscle? A small pipe-like structure. A small pipe-like structure that connects stomach to small intestine. Now let us move for third main, that is question number 5. So second main only, question number 5. So question number 5 is name the product of anaerobic respiration. So during anaerobic respiration, what will be the product? That is anaerobic is ethanol and carbon dioxide. So ethanol and carbon dioxide are the product of anaerobic respiration. Now let us move for third main, that is question number 6. What are the methods used by plants to get rid of excretory products? So this is 2 marks question. At least we have to write 4 points. So let us answer question number 6 now. So the first point is through photosynthesis, oxygen is removed as a waste product. Then second one, through respiration, carbon dioxide is removed. Then so through photosynthesis, oxygen, through respiration, carbon dioxide is removed. Through old xylem, gums and resins are removed. Through rotates, Through root hairs, waste is removed. Waste is removed into soil. Through old leaves, waste is removed. So these are the way by which waste is removed from the from the plant body. Now let us move for question number 7. So question number 7 is write the difference between pepsin and trypsin. So let us differentiate between pepsin and trypsin. So one side let us write pepsin. So another side let us write trypsin. So pepsin, it acts in acidic medium. Pepsin, it acts in acidic medium. Trypsin, it acts in alkaline medium. Second one, it acts in stomach. Pepsin acts in stomach. Then trypsin, it acts in small intestine. It acts in small intestine. So these are the differences between pepsin and trypsin. Now let us move for the next question. That is question number 8. So question number 8 is what is plasma? Write its function. So let us answer what is plasma and its function. So now let us move for the 8th question. What is plasma? The colorless part of a blood. The colorless part of a blood is called plasma. 1. Then what are the functions of plasma? The function of plasma is the first function. The function is it removes. It carries carbon dioxide, food, and nitrogenous waste. Plasma contains water and a protein called albumin. Now let us move for question number 9. So question number 9, it is fourth main. So what is the question number 9? What are villi? Write its function. So let us write what are villi. So a finger-like projection present in jejunum of a small intestine is called villi. So what are the functions of villi? It makes digested food. To flow. Makes digested food to flow into blood. Then second function is it increases the area of absorption of digested food. So this is the answer for ninth one. Now let us move for 10th one. What is double circulation? Write its advantages. So what is double circulation and its advantages? So this is the 10th question. So what is double circulation? A circulation in which blood flows twice through the heart. What are the advantages of double circulation? It keeps our body temperature. Constant. Second one, it provides efficient supply of oxygen. So this is about double circulation and advantage. And the last question is, draw a neat label diagram of human heart. So that is the last question. So by this we have successfully answered all the questions related to unit test paper 1 of life processes. So in the next video we are going to answer for unit test paper 2. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So once again, thank you very much.